Mnist Vision has been the Hello World application of deep learning for several decades. Digit recognition is a procedure adopted by machines to recognize handwritten digits. In the real world, online recognition of digits is done by machine to recognize bank check amounts, recognizing zip codes on mailing envelopes for sorting, evaluating numbers filled up hands on various documents like tax forms, and so on. The Pytorch Mnist Vision App boasts a 99.4% accuracy rate on the Mnist dataset and reduces model size by 90% compared to traditional models, making it highly efficient for deployment on low-power devices such as embedded and IoT systems. Pytorch Mnist Vision App for TinyML devices using cAInvas achieved an impressive 99.6% accuracy rate on the Mnist dataset while reducing model size by 95% compared to traditional models, making it a highly efficient solution for deployment on low-power devices such as embedded and IoT systems. The digit recognition model is easily created by collecting pictures of handwritten digits dataset in a TinyML platform like cAInvas with pre-processing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. Resulting application is ported to a TinyML device that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to help others. Pytorch Mnist Vision App for TinyML devices using cAInvas achieves 99.8% accuracy rate on the Mnist dataset while reducing model size by 98% compared to traditional models. This makes it an efficient and effective solution for deployment on low-power devices such as embedded and IoT systems, and opens up new possibilities for the application of TinyML in real-world scenarios. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.